Well, howdy. It's Hannah with WTI, and this is the perfect cowboy hat.
This is a cowboy hat from Lanzom, and I have mine in the size medium large in the color khaki. And I am so happy with this hat. It is super lightweight, fits most adults. I love how it is adjustable. So it not only fits me, but it also fits my husband. I made him try it on and it looks super good on him. And I think he might try to steal it from me, but this is my hat, trust me. I just absolutely love how it looks and how nice and lightweight it is. It is perfect for if you like dressing up and maybe going out line dancing. It is nice and lightweight. It looks so good with my fringe jacket. I am just so happy with this hat. I cannot wait to wear it all the time. I am just so pleased with it. It has this great belt around it that is attached, so you don't have to worry about that slipping off with these beautiful little details. I think it's just perfect.
If you are in the market for a cowboy hat to show off your style, you're going to love this one. That's my point of view.